This right here is the daily revenue of my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact blueprint, some of the exact tools and strategies that I've been using, tools that you've probably not seen before because they're really unique tools that I've only really shown on my channel so far. I haven't seen anybody else present or show tools like these that I'm going to show you in this video that will help you grow a YouTube channel like this and hopefully learn to replicate this. Let's go. This is going to be one super valuable video for those that want to start a YouTube channel, for those that want to start an online business, that want to build an online brand. In this video, I'm going to teach you how I got my first 100 subscribers on my first 3 days just doing YouTube. And also, I'm going to teach you how you can create a brand with your content and how content creation is literally the foundation of a business in today's world. What's going on, guys? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset podcast channel. And on this channel, it's actually supposed to be a podcast kind of channel with a friend of mine, but unfortunately with our country in lockdown, he can't get here. So I'm going to be running this channel solo for the first week or two, where I'm going to be posting very valuable content just like this one. But you can see right here, my Millionaire Mindset podcast channel recently hit 121 subscribers, and I've only been posting, you can see right here, 2 days ago was my first video. If I come to my videos, just to show you, the first video I posted was 2 days ago, a day ago, and then 21 hours ago. Then this video is also going to go up tonight. So in this video, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of tips and tricks. I've actually got literally a little blueprint here for you guys that at the end, I'll show you how you can download this with the exact tips, tools, and hints that you need to grow your channel and hopefully replicate this. So the first step is this extension that I've been using on YouTube that has probably been the biggest determining factor for the success of this channel and my main channel, which hit 40,000 subscribers about 2 days ago and also 1.8 million views. And I've been using VidIQ, and it's a big determining factor for the success on both my channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to on Google. I'm going to type in VidIQ extension. It's a Chrome extension, so you will need Google Chrome for this. You can add it right here on the Chrome Play VidIQ Vision, and you can add it over here. This is what it looks like, and you will see if I come over to YouTube how this tool works. Let's say I search how to make money online. You can see some of the top videos up here are popping up. So what I'm going to do is I can use VidIQ also to determine the volume and competition of videos. So you kind of want to create videos with the keywords that have a low volume, that have a lower competition, and a high volume. So you can see something like how to make money online is a good score right now to make a video on, whatever your niche may be. Use the VidIQ extension, type it into YouTube, and you can determine what the rating of the specific keyword is. But that's not the best part of VidIQ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a sample video to YouTube quickly just to show you exactly what VidIQ can do. So you can see right here, if I type in, for example, how to make money online in the title, VidIQ is basically going to generate already made titles, tags. It's already going to produce another video that's related to your keyword. So this case, GTA Online Money, that got 75k views, and you can literally copy the exact tags of these already viral videos and paste them in your video, increasing the chances of your videos going viral. Also, VidIQ gives you a tag count, tag volume, different scores, different check marks, or like a list of things that you must do before publishing a video. So at least add one card, at least add an end screen, add to a playlist, make it public, share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, reply to recent comments. So these are all things that VidIQ gives, increasing your chances of going viral. And you can see right here, if I type in a tag, VidIQ actually gives you the score of tags. So for example, a tag rating at 76 is actually a very good tag to rank for. So you want to include this kind of tag in your video. Also, something like if I type in how to make money online, VidIQ will generate other tags related to that tag that you can put in your video, increasing the views and virality chances of your video. So vidIQ is an awesome extension that generates tags for you based on other viral videos related to the keyword that you've put in the title of your video. And also something that vidIQ can also really help with the virality of your videos. So let's use another channel, for example. I'm going to use my main channel as the example. I can actually check, there's a trending tab here that vidIQ gives you, and I can check which videos are getting the most views per hour with the specific title. So for example, this video over here that I've got on my main channel, Make Money on Autopilot, is getting 281 views every 60 minutes. So what you could do is you could go make a video on something like this. You can go, for example, also use the Make Money Online or on Autopilot keyword, and there's a big chance that that video will also get a lot of views because it's a very popular term right now. Same thing with this video over here, earn 80 cents every 60 seconds, free paper money trick. That is something that you could also make a video about with those keywords, because that's getting 185 views per hour. So that's what I really like about this tool. You can identify current other viral videos on other channels. You can then utilize that, make your own versions of those videos, and the chances of you getting viral is very high. And then probably the most important one, because the biggest struggle with YouTubers today is what kind of content to produce. And that's pretty easy. I'm going to explain to you how I started with both my channels. I mean, I'm posting daily on 2 channels. So to come up with 2 video ideas every single day is no easy task. But that's where you've got to use the leverage and the system of YouTube. You can get all your ideas there that you need. So you can literally go to other 20 pages in your niche, whether you're into sewing, fitness, cooking, gym, entrepreneurship, gaming. You can go to 20 other channels in your niche. So for example, a good example of mine is Kevin David, which is probably the biggest YouTuber in my niche. And I can click on his channel. I'm going to go to his videos, and what I can do is I can go have a look at some of his most popular videos. So you can see right here, make $100 per day on YouTube, Facebook ads for beginners in 2020, Christmas gifts for the homeless, earn $500 by typing names. So you can go to someone in your niche, have a look at their most popular videos, have a look at the videos, learn some information, create your own versions of these videos. You can influence their titles. You can actually go to one of these videos and you can actually use the vidIQ extension to view the exact tags on these videos, and you can copy the tags of these videos that are already viral on these other channels within your niche, and you can go create your own video with a similar tag, similar title, similar description, and the chances of that video getting a lot of views is very high. And then for step number 3, at the beginning of your video, encourage viewers to like and subscribe. So good evening to those of you that have hit the like button already, and run competitions or giveaways to attract an audience. So for example, in my next video, I'm going to have another $10 giveaway. And if you want to win that, comment down below, leave a like on this video, subscribe with the bell on, and I'll announce most likely your name in the next video that you can win $10. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to have another $10 giveaway. So make sure to keep following with the channel, because I'm going to have giveaways, try and have giveaways in every single video to really help you guys out. And this will help with ranking your videos and ultimately getting you more views and subscribers, because you're getting more watch time, you're getting more likes. It's favoring the algorithm. It's a good way to really go viral on YouTube. And then the last 3 steps is number 4, which is a big role in the virality of a video, is use attractive thumbnails and titles. The best way to do that, go have a look at other channels, such as other channels in your niche, filter by their most popular videos, take notes of their thumbnails, their titles, their tags, their descriptions, and try and replicate something similar. And then what you can also do is you can use what I used to do with my main channel a lot was a valuable engagement comment strategy. So what I would do is I would go subscribe to like 20 other channels within my niche with 20,000 subscribers plus. So for example, let's say Kevin David just recently uploaded this video with the bell on. I'd have the bell on. So the second I get a message or the notification on my phone, I would head to that video. I would comment something valuable. Kevin is the man. I've taken all of Kevin's advice, jumped out of my comfort zone, and I'm targeted to make 6 figures. I've just created a YouTube channel to follow my progress. So you can literally comment valuable stuff like this. You don't want to spam. Big difference between spamming and actually commenting something valuable. You can literally use quotes on Google related to the title of the video, and you can post that. What you can do is like your own comments, You can also dislike some of the other comments if you like. Don't tell anybody I'm telling you this. And that means your comment will reach the top of the comments. So when people clicking on his video that it's been uploaded so recently, like the last few 10 seconds, everyone's going to see your comment at the top. And that's where your channel name is important. So you'll see both my channels. I've got, come back to my main channel quickly. I've got the Millionaire Mindset term. When I actually started my channel, I used to be Millionaire Mindset, how to make money online. So the first thing people saw in the comments was that, so they knew immediately what my channel was about. Millionaire Mindset, how to make money online. And then as my channel grew, I put my own personal name to improve my own personal brand. But in the beginning, you kind of want to have like a short description of what you're doing on your channel in the actual channel name. So for example, me, I had how to make money online in the actual name of my channel. So in the comment section, people knew exactly what my channel was about. And then number 6 are probably 2 tools that really blew up my channel, not only in views, not only in subscribers, not only in viral videos, but also revenue through AdSense and affiliate marketing, and pretty much changing my whole life. Was these 2 tools is Video Marketing Blaster and a tool called Lingo Blaster. So what these 2 tools do is they are actually created by the same guy. Video Marketing Blaster is a tool that produces already made titles, tags, thumbnails, descriptions that you can literally copy and paste into your video to rank for any keyword on YouTube. So for example, if I type in how to make money online on Video Marketing Blaster, it's going to generate already made titles, tags, and descriptions from the top videos on that term that you can put in your video that will rank you on the top search terms of YouTube. And then a tool that I use still today, I'm even using it on this video right now, is Lingo Blaster, which translates every single one of your videos or your videos into every single language in the world. So what this means is you can rank for keywords in foreign languages. So let's say somebody in Germany searches how to make money online in German, and your videos has been translated to German, you're most likely going to pop up first. Ever since I started using this tool, I had 3 videos one hit over 100,000 views, one hit over 200,000 views, and one other one hit over 320,000 views using this tool. And I can see on my analytics that the majority of my audience is actually a foreign audience with foreign languages, not English, other languages, because of a tool like lingoblaster.com. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave a link down below to both of these tools in the description. They are going to be my affiliate links, but on those affiliate links, I've managed to get the best deals for you guys. You'll get 80% off each program. They are once-off prices. They're not monthly fees or anything like that. So Video Marketing Blaster, I think, is about $20. Lingo Blaster is about $30. That is a once-off amount, but this can be life-changing for your channel. And then I've got a bonus tip for you guys, and this is the number 1 factor that has determined the success on my main channel and then my second channel, which already got 100 subs in 3 days. You've probably heard of it before. That is to post every single day. If you want to make it on YouTube, you should not only post on YouTube, you should be posting on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. And I really am going to push TikTok on both these channels, my channels. I'm going to encourage and I'm going to shove TikTok in your faces every single video, because TikTok has literally been friends of mine. The first video they post on TikTok gets 80k views. There's no other platform that can offer the organic kind of growth that TikTok has to offer. I am personally myself posting twice a day on TikTok. I only have about 440 followers, but there's literally been videos in the first hour I get like 2k views. It's really crazy the amount of organic growth TikTok can offer. You can have a link in bio, and I know 2 people that have personally blown up their channel, YouTube channel, just using TikTok. So what you can do is you can create like 30-second clips of your main videos and put them on TikTok with good hashtags. Just Google viral hashtags on TikTok, put that on your video, and the chances of you getting viral is really high. But guys, this is literally the exact kind of blueprint that you can use to get a lot of success on YouTube and replicate the kind of success I'm having on this channel so far. So here I'm literally spoon feeding you exactly what you need to do. So what I'll do is in the description, I'll leave a link to the download documents or link to this document where you can download this for free to hopefully help you guys out. But guys, don't forget the $10 giveaway in tomorrow's video. Really going to be another value packed video tomorrow. So make sure you got the bell on so that you can get that message. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.